he, she, it. He, she, it. Who is this? It is my family. Father, father. Who is this? He is my father. Grandfather, grandfather. Who is this? He is my grandfather. Sister, sister. Who is this? She is my sister. Brother, brother. Who is this? He is my brother. Grandmother, grandmother. Who is this? She is my grandmother. Mother, mother. Who is this? She is my mother. Baby, baby. What is it? It is a baby. Dog, dog. What is it? It is a dog. Cat, cat. What is it? It is a cat. Is that your father or grandfather? He is my father. Is that your brother or sister? She is my sister. Is that your father or mother? She is my mother. What is she wearing? She is wearing a dress. What is he wearing? He is wearing a t-shirt and pants. What is it? It is a baby. How many brothers do you have? I have 2 brothers. How many sisters do you have? I have 4 sisters. How many sisters do you have? I don't have any sisters. Do you live in a house or an apartment? I live in an apartment. Do you live in a house or an apartment? I live in a house. Do you have any brothers or sisters? Yes, I do. I have 1 sister. Do you have any brothers or sisters? Yes, I do. I have 1 sister and 1 brother. Do you have any brothers or sisters? No, I don't. How many people are there in your family? There are 6 people in my family.